This is how to play isibusiso phezukwami. I'm not sure about the original key of the song, but in this video I'll be showing you guys how to play the song using the key of G sharp and also the key of C sharp. Okay, so without any waste of time, let's jump straight to it. I'm gonna start first by playing this song to you guys, and then I'll break it down after. So I'm gonna start by playing it on the key of C sharp. So it says isibusiso phezukwami nesandla sakhe, phezukwami ukumavula kuvalekile. Right? It's quite easy. Let me repeat it again. Isibusiso na na na. Okay, so I'm gonna start first by breaking it on the key of G sharp. Okay, so on the key of G sharp, it starts right here on G sharp major first inversion, which is also known as our number 1, but it's a first inversion. Okay, please pause the video and watch the chords closely. It starts right here. From here it goes to C sharp major, which is our number 4 on the major scale of the key of G sharp. This is our number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? From 1 first inversion it goes to 4, and then from here it's gonna go to G sharp major second inversion. It is also known as our number 1 as well, but it's a second inversion. Right? And then from our second inversion it goes to our number 5, which is D sharp major, and then from D sharp major it goes back to our first inversion, which is G sharp major first inversion. Okay, all right, I hope you understood. So I'm going to introduce the left. When you hit the first chord on the right, which is G sharp major first inversion, on the left you go to number 1, right? Because on the right you are on your number 1. So on the left you're going to press number 1. Right? When you go to number 4, also on the left you go to number 4. And then when you go to G sharp major second inversion, on the left you go to number 5. This is known as a slash chord. This is known as a 1/5. Okay, it's a 1/5. And then from our G sharp major second inversion, you go to our number 5, which is D sharp major, and then back to 1. Let me repeat it again for the last time. It's 1, right? It's 4, it's 5/1 or 1/5, and then you go to number 5. On the left you're already on number 5, you don't move, and then you only move when you close the song. Right? That's the whole song. Isibusiso phezukwami nesandla sakhe, phezukwami ungumavula kuvalekile. Right? It's quite easy. So we're gonna go to C sharp. So on the key of G sharp it starts right here. This is G sharp, on the key of C sharp it starts right here. This is C sharp major first inversion. Okay, from C sharp major first inversion, which is known as our number 1, it goes to number 4, which is F sharp major. From F sharp major it goes to C sharp major second inversion. From C sharp major second inversion it goes to 5, and then back to our number 1, which is C sharp major first inversion. So it's 1, 4, our number 1 by the second inversion, and then our number 5, and then back to your first inversion, your number 1. Okay, so on the left you're gonna go to 1 when you press 1 on the right. On the left you also go to number 1, And then when you go to 4, you also go to 4 on the left. And then from here, when you play your second inversion, you go to number 5. I said this is a slash chord. This is 1/5. Okay, 1/5, because on the right you are on number 1 and on the left you are on number 5. Okay, and then from our C sharp major second inversion, you go to number 5, and on the left you don't move because you are already on number 5, and then you go back to your first inversion. So guys, if you want to know all these things, the inversions, the names of the chords and things like that, you can send me a WhatsApp to get more details. Okay, you can send me a WhatsApp to get more details. So I'm going to play this song with a beat so that you can hear how it sounds with a beat. I'll be using the key of C sharp, right? Isibusiso, phezukwami nesandla sakhe, phezukwami ungumavula uvalekile. So if you want, you can just follow the melody of the song with the notes, right? Just follow the melody of the song with the notes. If you know how to build the chords by playing the single notes, you'll be able to build a chord from your chords from there. So I won't be showing you that in this lesson. So let's go. You're gonna follow the melody of the song.